And that's why though, like if you do decide you want to carry on and do youth work, you'll be such a good youth worker because you can empathise with people who've been through grief or just been through similar really hard times.
Yeah.
Like,
and I feel like that's what I kind of want to do youth work, because like my thing, if I can help someone else that's going through the pain that I'm going through, that's it, like that's my job done.
Hello, I'm Dylan, and this is me talking about my experience with stuff I've done with Cardiff Youth Service. The first thing I remember doing Cardiff Youth Service was I did like a course about boxing and like well-being in the Phoenix boxing gym in Llanwelly. And then later on I joined Young Careers, which is like the digital team for the youth service. And then I used to go to the youth club in the hub in St. Mellons, but I stopped doing that, and now I go to the youth club in the Phoenix boxing gym in Llanwelly. What I enjoy about doing stuff with the youth service is like being able to meet new people and do new things.
My behaviour and confidence in school has definitely gone up massively, because I just feel more happy and confident with myself, and like I know I've got the ability to do everything I can, and like talking to people about my future, and they're like helping me understand like I need to focus on work and need to focus on everything ahead of me. It's like made me get down and not go down and focus a lot more work, and made me more comfortable with work. And you know, school I enjoy coming to now. Like I'm excited to get up and go to school and see everybody and talk. Well, it's helped me a lot because I've had someone to talk to and like understand what college is going to be like and how, you know, difficult it may be. And now that I know I've got somebody to talk to, whether that's struggle with college, school, home or anything, it's, you know, it's always going to help me, and I'm prepared for the future now just to get stuck into it and like, you know, being ready to meet new people and gain more confidence than I have now. Youth mentoring has helped me throughout many things, such as gaining confidence and being able to talk to somebody, which will make me, you know, feel more confident and comfortable within myself, and then being able to just have that person to talk to and not being judged, and you can do whatever you'd like, and you know, there's always that one person you can chat to and, you know, have the ability to go to rather than just your parents or feeling like you're going to get judged. And it's helped me just be more confident within myself and made me more happy and more, you know, more positive with everything recently. Yeah, I'd say I could suggest more people to, you know, take it on and not be scared to, because there's always that somebody you can talk to, and you're always going to be confident when you're talking to somebody that's not going to judge you and accept you for the person you are, and, you know, is there to listen to your problems and help you understand, and, you know, just always there for you and helping you control with your situations.
I got involved in youth work when one of the youth workers used to be my teaching assistant in school from 2015. So they basically told me that there was a youth down by this area, and she told me if when I get involved I can pop in and have a look around. Youth work helped me through many different things. It helped me cope with my mental health. I actually used to speak to young people myself as well in school before I left school. So for me, it helped me a lot through everyday life. Well, my favourite memory of youth work is working together with the community, helping the community, doing what I can to help young people in general. The youth workers, they're really amazing. They make sure our safety is a number one priority. So if we've got any problems, they say, come and speak to us. If you've got any issues, talk to us, we'll help you out as best we can. So don't be scared to come and ask for help. So, yeah.
Who then is just gets us off the street?
We come in here and do things we can't do out there.
Could be different consequences to anything, innit? I don't know. I don't have one. I went whilst I waterboarding, innit?
I go to youth clubs and all the youth services because it's a good time to socialise, make new friends and to do exciting things with others.